Guys, welcome to Second Left's first major event in LA. Everything we've done has come to this moment. I want you guys to have the best time with us. This event was built around Coachella, so we're actually dropping a collection very soon that you can wear at this space. I think Till and the team done a great job bringing this to life. I'm excited for what the team has put together, and I cannot wait to show you what's happening tonight and to introduce you to every one of our friends.
Absolutely amazing. Didn't really know what to expect, but walked in there and the aesthetic was really dope. Very street style and really glam. Also, everybody in there was so beautiful. 10 out of 10. Literally every single person that I saw.
Hey guys, this is Ajane here at Second Left. I'm so honored, so blessed to be blessing my Second Left family right here, right now. I'm grateful. Make sure you guys pay attention to the collection.
We had a great time. Second Left.
Yeah, shout out Second Left. We love the vibe.
It was a blast. We loved the aroma. Everything was so pretty.
Thank you so much for having us.
And it was an amazing night. We had a few shots.
Thanks, Second Left.
We had an amazing time. Thank you so much. It was so much fun. I met some great people. It was amazing. Made some memories. That's what we're here for.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So fun. Everyone's outside tonight and we're having a good time. And look at this fit. Period. Do I have to say more?
I can't wait for this new drop to come out. I love their merch. Huge fan. Second Left, thank y'all for having me.
Second Left is like that. The people, the drinks, the environment, it's like that.
Amazing. The vibes are crazy. Can't wait for the men's line to drop so we can get it on. And look out for more.